Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we got another ever popular catch, clean, and cook for you, so stay tuned. So yesterday we went out to the St. Johns River, caught our limit of shrimp, a 5-gallon bucket of shrimp. We luckily my brother came over, helped us process all those, got those put up in the freezer for future videos for you guys. And Miss Sylvia caught a really nice keeper redfish, so we're going to do him up right over on the campfire today with a redfish stew. Sylvia wearing out these redfish today. They're all about the same size. A little bit smaller than the last one she caught. Go Sylvia!
Hey, I need a bigger one now.
Sylvia, she's got a keeper redfish. We've been moving around all day trying to find these guys. It's getting close to the boat. And he is now in the net. Nice one too. Nice one. We've been moving around all day.
Oh my God. Look at that one. Oh, jeez. Now that's a big one.
That's a good one right there.
Probably swallowed the damn thing, but...
Yeah, you had it for a while. She's like, it keeps nibbling, it keeps nibbling. I'm like, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Would you shut up? Damn.
That's a picture taker. And one for the cooler. We're gonna take him out.
So, I hope so. I can see my fingers.
Oh, and he gets sun on him. There he is, right there. Now time for photos and in the cooler. Alright folks, welcome to the cleaning part of this video. I'm going to go ahead and put on a stainless steel protection glove. I have these over on my Amazon store. Haven't talked about that in a long time, but if you want to see some of these products that we use on the show and get a really good deal on them, check out our Amazon store. Link in the first comment and in the description box below. So here's our big old nice red we got. Been in the cooler for a while on the ice, and that's what we wanted when we start this process. It's really nice and cold. So we're just going to go ahead and fillet him right now. I'm going to cut at an angle up behind his head, and I'm going to try to save the maximum amount of meat possible. My grandma would just take this backbone and fry it up. Here, we're going to make fish stock out of it, so we're just going to cut it up into pot-sized pieces. My cleaver. Alright. You can pull those fins out. A lot of them, just like that, but they got a lot of good fatty meat right down along the bases of them. You see all that? See, all that will get in your fish stock. So I see some people doing that. I don't really know why, but go ahead and just pack them up into manageable size pieces. And there we go. That'll be for our fish stock. All right. So out of that whole redfish, that's what we got going to the table. And here is all that we have that is waste. People over here on the channel keep saying how much you like the catch, clean, and cook videos. We've been doing quite a few of them here in the past year, and not a lot of people are watching them, I'll tell you that right now. I mean, I get the analytics right here, you know, on who watches them, who doesn't, and all that kind of thing. So if you know other people that like catch, clean, and cook videos, you know, because there's some big guys out there taking up all the oxygen in the room on that. So just share the video on your Facebook, whatever, and maybe you know, they'll start becoming a little bit more popular. Anyway, because we're going to cook up this beautiful, beautiful redfish, and we're going to do it right over on the campfire on the Dutch oven. All right, we're going to start this off. We got the Dutch oven over the campfire. 2 strips diced of thick sliced bacon. We'll get that out of there. You guys know every good Dutch oven dish starts out with bacon. Spread that out. Start to get it rendered. So I did my best to level the pot out. That bacon a little stir. Right in with my potatoes. I'm going to give you guys a list of all these ingredients. We'll scroll that at the end of the video, so sure be you stick around for that. Just not enough time here today to do all that. So we get those right in that oil and get them brown off a little bit. Now those potatoes are getting a little brownness. Put about 3/4 of a cup of our redfish stock in there. Just a little bit of stir. All right. Couple minutes, got some more ingredients coming. Alright, that's up to a bubble. Gonna go ahead and put in a whole large onion, about a 1/2 cup of red wine, and the rest of the bottle is for the chef. Red bell pepper. Don't tell Mrs. Backwoods. Yeah, guys, I know it's getting dark. I had a hard time seeing. Just dumping in a jar of tomatoes right in all those potatoes. So guys, apologize for the ice cream truck. That's the neighborhood behind me, but it's just like tonight it seems to be like they're just ringing. So checking the potatoes, they're not quite done yet, so gonna give them a couple more minutes. Put the lid back on, and as soon as they're done, I'm gonna put in our fish. All right. You guys probably noticed we didn't put no seasoning in here yet. So, gonna go ahead and season it now. Give you that list of ingredients of seasoning right down in the description box below, as well as a link to this written recipe. It's been a couple minutes. Go ahead and put that lid back off of there. Let me go ahead and give it a stir down. It's looking awesome. Now it's time to put in our redfish. Make sure those are spread out. And we're going to cook that just till it's flaky. Only about 5 minutes. Lid back on. So right at the end, that's when we're going to go in with our fresh corn. That's 1 cob. A little bit of half and half. Kind of sweeten it up. We'll give it a little stir. Ready to go. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Wow. This dish got a lot going on for it. The tomato, the potato, the redfish. Season's about perfect. Thanks for watching this catch, clean, and cook video from the Backwoods Gourmet channel. If you like what you're seeing, please smash that like button right down there for another great Backwoods Gourmet adventure. It's going to be right over there. For a whole playlist of our catch, clean, and cook videos, going to be right up there. And for another whole playlist of cast iron and Dutch oven cooking, going to be right up there. We'll see you next time.